over. Then I see the place up and lockdown. Hello?
Hello, Justina. It's Carol, your manager from work.
Hi.
Hi, I just wanted to know if you was okay because you haven't come into work and we didn't receive a call from you.
Well, me wouldn't think so many for calling. The place up and lockdown.
That's right, but we are a supermarket, so we are opening. You're still required to come in because you're a key worker.
Wait, come again. You class me as what?
Class you as a key worker.
A key worker? But after no key me deal with the people me serve.
No, a key worker as in you're essential, you're important to come in.
Oh, so now me important. Well, on the manager. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
Our key worker there in my contract. Remember, when you did write up my contract, and a key worker you put in there, a customer assistant you put in there, So nobody come with this your key worker business.
I understand what you're saying, but you are one of our top workers. That's why we are requiring you to come in.
Oh, yeah, manager no bother with it. Right? Come in and come out of my yard for go serve up for your customer them. Imagine, the other day one man come in a supermarket, right? And wanna make me serve this a man ya. The man buy fish, one green something will look like bugo, and one next black thing will look like bird doodle. Right? In my head now me a think, but what on there? This a man ya go call one next virus and a fiend toilet. No sir. Hey Miss Manager, no bother with you about this key worker business, because if me come out of my yard now and me catch what them call Miss Corona, una not gonna care about me. Una not gonna call me no key worker. Una just have to employ somebody else. So no bother with it. Hey, imagine this. You can class me as key worker. Me will class myself as high risk. So no bother call me out of my yard because you called me for go catch a Rona, right? Me will see you when all of this over. Goodbye.